media is what sells. In any other industry, someone might buy something without looking at the photo, maybe. But in the hospitality industry, in the travel industry, not a single person is going to buy without looking at the photos. Where we fit in, right, is slightly somewhere between an Airbnb, which is a complete aggregator, and let's say a Taj, which is a full stack hospitality company. The biggest challenge was honestly optimization, right? Because it's a fine balance between reducing the quality. That's the quickest way to actually either reducing the resolution or quality on the fly using a CDN is the quickest way to reduce your bandwidth and in turn reduce your billing. But reducing the quality also has an impact on the sales because we are a very heavy media driven industry. Earlier, like I said, we hosted it ourselves. Then we moved to a third-party CDN, which was, at that time, it was probably the only one. And it had a monopoly over the entire CDN market. And it had a pricing structure that at that time was very subtle. And it was very sharky. Because initially, it did not charge you a lot. But when you scale, it created those barriers of exit. The biggest thing was price for us. It had reached an absurd amount. Right? It had reached an amount which basically jeopardized our profits and our margins to a certain extent. There were two key factors. So what ImageKit did was it nailed its pricing. I think it priced itself in a very sweet spot. I'm pretty sure there was a lot of research that went into the pricing, which turned out to be the right sweet spot. That was easy on our margins. Right? I think beautiful thing that ImageKit did. I think it cracked the code on understanding the inertia of migration. Right? Is that they made it very seamless to move from that one third party to them by making it merely a day's process. What ImageKit did for us was that you don't have to move your storage, right? You don't have to move, you don't even have to shut down your old CDN. So as if it's two of those players running parallel for maybe a certain period, right? Which makes the migration super easy. You could probably optimize this image and use less bandwidth was a very honest win, and that has potentially also saved us more money than it's originally decently priced. But a very clear distinction that it has done for us is the cost. So the cost has actually played a key role in us gaining that operating leverage. The extra amount that we saved that went into other growth activities that helped us get some revenue and also just improved our bottom line. And who knows, if we did not have a certain philosophy of gaining that operating leverage, we might not even be profitable this year.